Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple, delicious one pan chicken and potato recipe. So let's get into it. The chicken was so nice and tender and flavorful and easy to make. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so these are the ingredients you'll need. I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're going to go in here with the Slap Your Mama. I usually don't even use this spice that much, but in this case, I wanted something with a little kick without using multiple spices, as well as to keep it pretty simple, So you want to liberally season your boneless, skinless chicken thighs or whatever part of the chicken you want to use. This is what I had. And some lemon pepper. Simple, easy, quick, fast. 2 spices, keep it moving. Child, the way I was pouring this lemon pepper as if but this was a lot of chicken, you guys, so I didn't overdo it. But you want to mix this up and set it to the side so it can marinate and you're good to go. Again, you can use any part of the chicken, legs, thighs, breasts, whatever. This is what I had, and yep, that was it. So this is the potato part of the chicken and potato dish. This is what I saw in the store today, and it looked cute, and little cute potato. And I wanted to get it, so I decided to use this, but I promise you any potato across the board will work. And so to these little gem potatoes, I'm going to add some peppers and the same spices that I used earlier. You already know on certain days, especially if you're pregnant or a mom, you're very busy. You don't have time to be worried about this, that, and the third. I did this so fast and so quick, and y'all, I just decided to share it with you guys because it will be a quick recipe to record, as well as to share, as well as to make if you're a busy mom or if you're pregnant. You go lay down, sit down real quick. You pop this in the oven and you're done. So now I'm gonna pop the chicken right on top, just like I'm doing here. And I didn't pile this with lots and lots of seasonings because there's a third step that's gonna go on top of everything, and I didn't want to overdo it or overpower it. But sometimes I don't want a bunch of seasonings on my chicken or my food anyway. 6 to 8 seasonings and spices, like for what? So now I'm gonna make like the little drizzle that goes on top. I have butter. I'm gonna use the lime zest of 2 limes. I feel like the juice was too much because I made this recipe before, and I used the juice and it was too much for me, and so I decided to just keep it at just the zest, and we're gonna see how this works out. All right, so after I added the zest, I added some honey, about a couple tablespoons of it, not too much, and everything just ties together. I also added this dry green chili that I bought the other day. I decided to use a couple tablespoons of that, and then I'm going to put it on the stove and heat it up so everything can gel together, and this is how it looks right here. So now I'm just going to pour this sauce, butter, honey, chili, lime mixture all over top. I know in this video it might seem like it's a lot of prep, but if I wasn't recording, I would have been done with this in like 5 minutes. Because, but when someone's trying to show you something, it's going to take a minute. But I promise you this prep is about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast you could chop your potato, and you're good to go. So I wrapped this up really, really well and put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. When I took it out, took the top off, this is how it looked, nice and bubbly. And the chicken was tender. The potatoes, of course, were tender, and they were good to go. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven uncovered so the top could get nice and bubbly and browned. After I, shimmy the juice all over top, y'all, the juice in this dish, because I tried the juice to make sure the chicken was good on as far as flavor and things like that. I had to immediately put a pot of rice on the stove to boil because I needed this sauce over some rice. So this is how it looked once it was done. And it was just so good, you guys, for it to be so quick and easy and only a few ingredients. And this is how it looked. Tender potatoes, tender chicken, super flavorful. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like on the plate. All right, so here go the rice, child. I made that rice so fast, like, we're not playing these games, okay? I need some rice to sop up that juice. So I'm gonna put a couple pieces of chicken down and some of the Swiss, and of course the potatoes that were just so super tender. You don't have to use rice. You could eat this with a salad or vegetables, and you're good to go. And yeah, so this is the recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching. Follow me on social media to keep up. I post every day. I be posting little knick-knack recipes and all this fun stuff. And y'all don't even come messing with me. Ain't that something? Y'all even be trying to be my business child. If you nosy and you want to be my business, you need to follow me on social media. But I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.